In this video, let us look at implementation of a queue using linked list. So I'll create a new project that is queue using linked list LL, and the language is C language. Now create a project. Project is ready. Now for implementation of queue using linked list, I should use nodes of a linked list. So for that, I will define a structure that is node. So here the node is ready. Then I should have two pointers, that is front and rear, so I will declare them here itself globally. Front is initially null, as well as rear is also initially null. So two pointers initialized. Then I don't have to create a linked list. Directly front and rear are initially null. No further initialization is required. Now I should have the functions like enqueue, dequeue, and display. Three functions I will write on. First function enqueue, which takes the value to be inserted. Now for inserting, I should make sure that there is enough space inside heap. So first of all, I should create a node using temporary pointer t. So I will write on the code for node creation using malloc function. And when we use malloc function, make sure that a library is included, that is stdlib. Node is created. Then if node is not created, means if it is equal to null, then queue is full, we cannot insert any element. So we can say printf queue is full. Else we can insert an element. So I'll give a new line. Else we can insert an element. Then for inserting an element, already node is created, so I should set the data of that node as x, the value that we want to insert. And also I should make t's next as null, because this is going to be a last node definitely in a queue. Then first thing I should check that if front is equals to null. If front is equals to null means this is the first node. Then front and rear both should point on that new node t. Otherwise this is not the first node. Then rear pointer's next pointer should point on this new node t, and rear should be brought upon this new node t. So this is what I have explained you. So the same thing I have written here. Then let us write a dequeue function. Dequeue function will return a element that is deleted. So for that I will take a variable that is initialized with -1. Then for deletion I need a temporary pointer, so I will take a pointer t. Then before deletion I should check that if front is equals to null. If it is so, then queue is empty. I should give a message that queue is empty, and also /n so that I get a line gap. Else queue is not empty, I can delete an element. So I should delete first element. So x should be assigned with front's data. Then t should be pointing upon front so that we can delete a node. Then front pointer should be moved on to next node. Then we should free that pointer t. And at the end I should return x. That's all. This is dequeue. Then for display I should write a function display. For displaying I should scan through a linked list. So for that I will take a temporary pointer p, and while p is not equal to null, while p I can say simply, I should display all the elements. Printf, I should display the data of a node, that is p's data, and then p should be moved to a next pointer. And at the end I should give a line gap. So for that I will say /n. Now everything is ready. I have all three functions, that is enqueue, dequeue, and display function. Now inside the main function I don't have to create any variables for queue. Directly I can start using the function. So first of all I will call enqueue and I will insert value 10, and I'll insert more elements by, I'll copy paste this. So I'll insert few elements, 20, then 30, then 40, then 50. Then after this I will call a function that is display, which will display all the elements in a linked list. Then on the top I must include a header file, that is #include stdlib.h. So back to the main function. Now let us run this one. Yes, it is displaying all the elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. See here in display, this P should start from font. So I have assigned it just now. Then let us call DQ also and directly display its result. So here I will call DQ function. Let us run this. Yes, DQ is deleting the first element 10. So that's all. This is the implementation of queue using linked list. So you can practice this program